In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple emails at once in Microsoft Outlook app. Managing your inbox can quickly become overwhelming, especially when unwanted messages pile up over time. Fortunately, there is a simple way to clean things up faster using built-in selection tools inside the app. Start by opening your mailbox and navigating to your main message list, where all your emails are displayed. From here, instead of removing messages one by one, you can select several emails at the same time. Begin by tapping the selection box next to an email to activate multi-select mode. Then, while holding the Shift option, click another email further down your list to instantly highlight everything in between. This allows you to choose multiple messages in just a couple of clicks, saving a lot of time and effort. Once your emails are selected, simply press the Delete option at the top of the screen to remove them. After that, the messages will move to your Deleted folder, where they are temporarily stored before permanent removal. To fully clear them out, go to your Deleted Items folder and choose the option to empty it completely. This ensures your mailbox stays organized and free from unnecessary clutter moving forward. For users who receive a large volume of daily emails, using this method is much faster than manually removing each message individually. It also helps maintain a cleaner inbox, making it easier to find important messages without distraction. If you ever make a mistake while selecting emails, you can simply adjust your selection before deleting anything permanently. Taking a moment to review your selection ensures that no important email is accidentally removed. Once you become familiar with this process, managing your inbox becomes significantly quicker and more efficient. With regular use, this simple technique can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized every day. Before finishing, always take a quick moment to scan through your inbox selection to ensure you are only removing messages you no longer need, which helps avoid accidental deletion of important emails. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell